Good day, everyone. Good day, afternoon, good morning, good evening, everyone. You are welcome to today's class. Today, we'll be looking at uh, trading view setups. We'll be looking at trading view test setups. And as you all can see, that this a trading view uh, platform. It give you access for you to do your analysis uh, and place the trade on your MetaTrader. So today we'll be looking at all the indicators, all the tools in trading view. So we'll be looking at all the tools that we have in trading view. We have these tools as cross. So we use this to check a specific area that we are, like what is I'm doing presently. That's what the tools is being used for. Then we have trend line tools. So under trend line views, we have trend line, we have arrow, we have ray, we have info line. That is when you draw a trend line, there's going to be an information that you can insert on that particular uh, trend line. So we have uh, we have extended line, we have angle uh, trend. This angle trend, you can use this to make angle trend. So you use this for angle trend. Then we have grain and Fibonacci tools. Fibonacci trees. So we use this for us to draw our Fibonacci either extension or retracement. As you can use, as you can see what I'm doing presently. So this is an example of a Fibonacci tools, though I have one already on the chart before. So I just use this for you to understand what I'm talking about here. So that's what we use this for. I use it to draw your uh, Fibonacci either extension or retracement. So this is it. Look at highest high and lowest low. So this is it. How to draw. That's what that tools is being used for. So the tools will comprises of the 1%, then the 2 point uh 0.23%, then 0.168%, and so on and so forth. So that's what that tools is being used for. You use it to do uh your to do analysis on the trade. We use to do analysis. Then we make use of Fibonacci uh channel. Fibonacci channel. So if you want to know, you want to draw a channel, so you use that to draw a channel. So you draw it like this. If you draw a channel, you know the channels your of the trade that you want to trade on. So you use that for for that. You use that for that. Then you also have other tools here as well that you can use under Fibonacci tools. Then we have geometric shape. Like if you want to draw any shape on your chart, like for instance, if you want to draw a box on the chart for a comment, or to draw a channel, so you can use that for that as well. You can draw a circle, you can do and use all these uh, tools to draw on your chart. Then we have tools also to write text on your chart. So we use all this for comment, for call outs and so on and so forth like that. So that's what we use those ones for. Then we have uh patterns. So if you want to draw a pattern, ABC pattern, head and shoulder pattern, triangular pattern, and so on and so forth. So we have all those in that area as well. So you can use it to draw patterns on your chart. Like if you are projecting that the chart is going to have another shoulder pattern. So like this B and this C. So you can see. So that's what we use this for as well. So you can see the pattern that I draw on my chart. This A, B, C, D. So that's how to use that pattern. Then we have uh, we have prediction and measurement. Prediction and measurement. So we use this to measure uh, our stop loss and take profit. So where we are going to enter if you are going for a buy on this trade like this now, so you can say our buy is towards this direction like this, then the downward part is our stop loss. So that's what that tool is being used for. Then we have forecast, we have time range and so on and so forth. Then we also have another pattern here, icon. So you can use all the icons like smiling and all those ones if you want to put it on the chart also. So we have measure. We want to measure a particular uh, uh, that is, we want to measure the pips that you are anticipating to get from a trade. So like for instance now, so you can see the measurement now that I measure this trade. They have 179 pips at this 48 bar, that's 48 candlestick. Then the volume is 266,488. So that's, if I adjust it now to the present candlestick, you can see that it has increased to uh, 51 bar in 4 days, 3 hours. So all these activities that happen there is from activities of 4 hours, 4 hours stick, 4 hours candlestick. Sorry, I said 4 days and 3 hours candlestick movement in those area. So these are the things that you can see on the chart there. So you can all see it as I'm doing it here. If you want to measure this particular, only this candlestick now, you can use this to measure it from there, from the height to the bottom here. So this is the bottom. So in 1 hour, in 1 hour, so you can see the measurement. In 1 hour, we have that's minus, that is, is down. We are going down, not up. So it's minus 93.4 pips, which is just one candlestick on 1 hour candle. So and it's uh 24,213 uh volume. So you can see it from that. Then we have zoom. So for instance, if I want to zoom in my chart or want to zoom out, so we use that for that. So you can use this to zoom in your chart, you can see it, and you can also use this to zoom in your chart. If I'm zooming out, you can see that I'm zooming out, and then I'm zooming in now. You can see it. So this zoom in and this zoom out. So if I zoom out, you can see that this uh the car the the uh the the candlestick, previous candlestick has been is being obvious to us. of the past occurrence that happened before. But by zooming, I will only see the short uh, candlestick that is obvious to us in that place. So that's what zoom is used for. Then you can use this magnetic mode as well. Then you can use staying drawing. If I want to draw something on my chart, so I use this to draw something on my chart, but it won't work because it's still uh, it's still if I want to hide all the drawings on this chart, I can hide it and see that I've hide those drawing. Then if I say show to show it. So then if I want to delete any of those things, I will just click here, highlight the thing, highlight the drawings, then I click delete object. So it should be removed uh from my chart. So it should be removed from my chart. Then as we all know, we all see this, we know these are codes. These are all the codes that are here. So we have card JPY, USD card, all those one are the market that we can enter. So those are the things that we need to know about all those tools that we can see on our trading view. Then we have all these as our uh this 1 hour time frame. You can change it to be maybe 2 hours or use higher time frame like and so on and so forth. This candlestick you can change it to any candle that you wish to change it to. As you can see what I'm doing presently now, I use column. This is a column uh, uh, chart. Then you can use line chart as well. This is a line chart. Then you can use line chart with market. So you can see the way the market is been changing when I'm clicking on those charts. So you can see it. This baseline. Then this is high and low. So it will indicate the highest of the market and the lows of the market. So you can see it from here. This Fibonacci candlestick, you can see it, but we prefer that you use the normal candlestick because all those one have some techniques that if you are not a professional you cannot understand it. So you can see it. Some will not work because this is uh, a free version, so we cannot see all those things cannot work perfectly. So we can use the line chart, we can use the candlestick, which is the normal candle stick. So let's go back to um 4 hours time frame so you can see it. So let me delete all these drawings that are here. Let me delete those drawings. You can see that I'm deleting the drawings now. I'm deleting those drawings that is on our chart. You can see it. So I'll delete all the drawings down, though I can delete everything at once, but I'm just doing it manually so that I can understand what we are talking about here. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much.